Well, hey everybody. Well, today we're going to talk about what's the real deal? What's the truth? What's the real scoop on the paralegal career? And, there's a hype about it. There are people who are in it, and you see the negativity all over the internet, and you're wondering, what is true and what's not true? Well, the workplace is varied. Okay, you can't say every boss is like this, but boss in a box, the attorney in a box. You can't do that. So that's an impossibility. But when you're looking at a new career, when you're looking at this and you're doing your homework, and yes, you should do your homework, you shouldn't make an assumption that because there are 2-year and 4-year degree programs and a certificate program, that is actually the foot in the door moment for you. That doesn't mean that's a foot in the door. The foot in the door is understanding what duties you'll be performing and learning some of those duties. Now, go get the playbook at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. That's my website. Go get it. It's free. Look under the Paralegal Resources Hub. You'll see the playbook. You have to sign up to download it. Just get it. It's a free PDF. And on one of the pages, it will show you how to research paralegal duties in different areas of law. There are hundreds of areas of law. That's why you see all those different jobs online, okay? Those are areas of law that attorneys work in. So, learn all you can about the duties. Do you want to perform those duties? Is this bursting a bubble for you? Did you think you were going to stand around talking about the law all day? We don't do that. We are administrative professionals. We are an engine that drives that legal workplace, but so do other people. So do other people in different positions in the legal workplace. So we're part of that in a big way. So what is it that you see yourself doing right now as a paralegal? And then go research, get that playbook, and then get into reality. Get the real scoop on it, okay? When it comes down to salary, you hear me say this a lot. Don't believe everything you read or you hear. But the truth of it is, average salary that you research on Google or anywhere else, salary.com, that's not the true picture, because they're combining all the salaries of very experienced people from big cities into that equation, and that is not the truth. You barely make above minimum wage when you start out. So don't go into it thinking, I'm going to do this so I can pay off my car or pay bills. That's not what you'll be making.